affected now by this water. Trademore Estate, please.
Wow, see the police station.
Please, we are begging. Trademore Estate. FCT minister, come and do something. Trademore Estate. Please, we are appealing. Trademore Estate.
This is crazy.
See, the police station is gone.
Crazy. This is crazy.
See, these are people residents. Water everywhere. Minister of FCT, help Trademore Estate. Oh, people are dying. This is Trademore Estate life. Look at residents. See. Honorable Minister, Honorable Wike, please come to Trademore Estate, Lugbe. This is so bad. What a pity. 2 people died this morning.